All right, we're gonna be rocking like crazy because where the camera is, it can't really stay stable. So hopefully we'll get a fish. First cast, first cast, first cast, guys. How cool is that? And it's a largemouth. Looks like I will catch a fish. Whoa, calm down, buddy. Calm down. Well, that is an awesome sign right there. Not scoreable. That's not going to beat Russell right there. But it's a really nice fish. No underwater releases today. We're going to just keep rolling. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I just finished making a video that we posted last Wednesday. And now I'm trying to catch a bass. I'm trying to beat Russell from RWA Fishing because he's, at the time I'm making this video, in the lead with a 3-pound, 1-ounce bass. And so I came out just to make that video because I've had some serious issues and we'll see. But thankfully no skunk, right? At all. And I'm just chucking and winding at this point. And I know I'm talking really fast. I'm hoping I'm getting everything in there. If you're new to the channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And if you like this content, throw that thumbs up. There's nobody out here on the lake at all. So I've got the whole thing to myself. And it is awesome. I love days like today. The downside is we just don't have the time I wish I had. So I'm probably going way faster than I should go, but that first bass made me think that fish would be active. All right, we've gotten over to somewhere where I think there might be a few fish. Oh, I wish I had longer. I just wish I had longer to fish, guys. This is the perfect time. Every condition is right. That's a fish. Every condition is right. That's a bass too. Get up here, buddy. Decent bass too. Glad we're recording on the phone. I don't think that's gonna beat you right there, Russell, but that's a good bass. I think that's 2 pounds. Let's see real quick. First cast as soon as we came over here. This is for the Your Next Cast 4K Big Bass Classic. What I tell you, 2 pounds on the dot. It's not gonna do it. 2-pounder. It's not bad at all. It's a nice, ooh, it's a beautiful 2-pound bass too, right there. Let's get him back in the water. I'm telling you, I know today is good. Fish, oh, today is a good day. It's a good day to be fishing. Got him. What is up with my drag? My drag is loose, man. Same thing happened actually to RWA. His drag was loose. It's so frustrating. That should have been 2 bass right there. Well, something just splashed. Ooh, guys, they're breaking right behind me. Oh my goodness. This is the perfect, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're just blowing up. And I can't catch them. What in the world? Come on, Titus. Oh, they're running. I got to get ahead of them. There we go. That's it. Come on, buddy. 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 There we go. Wow. Landed 3 in a short amount of time. I'm telling you. I'm so mad I'm gonna have to go. I can't even really enjoy this because I know I gotta leave. That's 3 that I've caught, 2 that I've missed. That's a shame. And I'm mad because I don't have the most optimal view. Like, I don't know how well you can see me. I don't think you can see like much beyond just the frame of me. But bass are active. Oh my goodness, they're active. Hey, I think there's some bait fish in front of me. I did not realize that. That's a good sign. There are some bait fish in front of me. Come on, bass, where are you? You should be eating these guys. Well, that's a sign that there aren't any bass around, because if there were some bass around, they should be on them like crazy. All right, last cast. Last cast. It's starting to rain too. Man. All right, not last cast. That was. There we go. Gotcha. Got you that time. Whew. I knew I was getting bit. I knew I was getting bit. I hope you can see me okay. Man, Chatterbait came out and did some work today. Check that. Let me try to turn them this way so you can see that. Fat guy feeding up. Told you, if there was some bass there, they should have been taking this thing. Jackhammer came to play this evening. Last cast. To be honest with you, that wasn't going to be my last one. After I got those couple of taps, I was going to throw one more time. But since we got them, that's going to do it. Not going to weigh them. Although it's probably just under 2. It's probably like 110. Let's just see, just to guess. I think it's 110. We'll go with that. Check that out. 1 pound, 10 ounces. Fat belly. That's gonna do it. Well, I hope you will participate in the 4K Big Bass Classic by your next cast. This guy's going back in the water. Man, that was a great about, I'm gonna say 30-ish minutes of fishing. Chatterbait came to play. Russell, I'm still coming for you. I just gotta get some bigger ones. Hope everybody has a great day and a great night. We will see you next time.